This one is the first one to produce fruits. We expect them to look like that, sort of like the picture. Just gonna eat it, eat it, eat it.
Hopefully you don't dig out anything important, please. Bye, birdies.
To feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind.
Hey guys, remember the fruit trees that I planted? I may just put a small video picture on the side, so then you'll see that I planted quite a few, but this one is the first one to produce fruits. I still need a proper structure to prop them up like that. So look at the berries it has produced, and these ones, when they are ripe, when they are nice and ripe, they change color. This one, you can see it's busy changing. That is busy changing. So what we expect them to look like that, sort of like the picture. And these are gooseberries. Okay, so I just picked one a few minutes ago. I just picked one a few minutes ago. So it went from this color, which is green, to this, and let's open it up together. And I officially have my first one. Oh, it was raining, so you see the skin broke a little bit, but I don't care. I'm so proud. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm just gonna eat it, eat it, eat it. I just pop in your mouth. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. You see, they are falling all over the show, and there's quite a lot. I really need to get this structure. It's gonna help me prop them up, because if I leave them on the ground, bugs might just get to them before I do, and that's not a nice thing. Okay, this one looks like it's busy turning. Let me see. Would you like to have a peek? Let's have a peek. Oh no, I removed it. It was busy turning. See? It was busy turning. Okay. Let's not do that. This one is also sweet, but it's a little bit sour than the first one. But see that the richness in the orange wasn't there yet. Okay.
So this is how much gooseberries cost, in case you might have been wondering.
I just spotted the culprits to my garden. You see this couple? There's a couple here. Don't know if you see them. There they are. There, one by the wall. You see? These people don't give me rest. They don't want me to rest. Look at them. I make my beds nicely, and they come and they dig and they dig. I don't know what they're always looking for. They're always looking for something. See? They're gonna dig up these potatoes before it's their time. And they
follow each other like this all the time. Can someone please tell them that it was nice of them to visit the garden, but it's time to go. But I also want to harvest something. Musa, why are you laughing? I want to harvest something. Please give me a break. I must then put these into the ground and then hopefully they behave. Yeah, clearly a couple. They don't leave each other's side. They're always by each other's side. Manilisi loves birds. That's my eldest son. So he just watch them. He won't even go and intervene. He just watches them. Okay. Hopefully you don't dig out anything important, please. Bye, birdies.
Thank you so much for getting to this part of the video, which is the end. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course. Until the next one.